Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall or install an AMD processor. You have, you can see this little lever here, you pull it over and up. Pull it straight up, guys. This disengages what's holding your processor into your motherboard. Then you pull this thing out, there should be no restriction at all. These are the pins on your processor. To install it, you see this gold arrow here. That gold arrow on this corner here, you have to make sure, absolutely sure, you line it up. Your motherboard, your socket here on your motherboard should have one of the corners that has that arrow in it as well. You can see how this corner here, has that little arrow notch in it, unlike any of the others. So that's the corner you want to put your gold arrow on your processor in. You line it up, you just set it in the sockets, move it around a little bit if you have to. It should drop right in here, guys. You're not going to push, you're not going to apply any force at all on this processor. You just line it up, let it set itself into place, just wiggle it, make sure it's in there properly. You're going to take this pin and you're going to pull it back down, slide it back around. That is uninstallation and installation of your computer processor for AMD.